Worship, in line with Article 23(6)(b) of the Constitution.
Article
23(6)(b) of the Republic of Uganda Constitution as amended, and case law by the Constitutional Court, Your Worship, that we availed to court. And my land friend, the State Attorney, has not made any reference to. It is stated that here the court has no discretion, it has to grant of the word shall be released on bail. We should be able to make it mandatory that court should release the accused on bail on the conditions that it will put in place. Your Worship, I remind the court that in early March, when we prayed for bail, our land colleague informed the court that the prosecution was ready to start with the case. It had enough evidence which was overwhelming, and we would immediately start prosecuting the accused person. Your Worship, up to date, we are already informed that investigations are still ongoing, and the 60 days, it is more than 7 days past the 60 days, Your Worship. And since this provision is states that it's mandatory, we pray that if state does not agree with the sureties, what rules on our prayer for mandatory bail in accordance with the law that will ensure that he appears back in court. Your Worship, these sureties are all sisters to the mother of the accused. They are older.
I think Your Worship, just with all due respect, this is a repetition of what we have submitted. We are repeating the movie. Yeah.
Your Worship, would pray that court makes a ruling on mandatory bail.
accused has applied for mandatory bail, citing Article 26, 6B of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as amended, and also the case of Foundation for Human Rights Initiative versus the Attorney General. He has presented two sureties, Mugoya Lydia Kaurin and Nabuzale Margaret Ann, both maternal aunties of the accused person. The state has sought an adjournment to verify the authenticity of the sureties presented court, which the defense has objected to. Article 26(6)(b), Article 23(6)(b) of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda is couched in mandatory terms, and it states, in the case of an offence which is trial by the High Court as well as by subordinate court, if that person has been on remand for 60 days before trial, then the person shall be released on bail on such conditions as the court considers reasonable. In the case of Foundation for Human Rights Initiative versus Attorney General, Constitutional Petition number 20 of 2006, the Constitutional Court on bail on such conditions as the court considers reasonable. It went on to say that here the court has no discretion, it has to grant bail. I'm tied by the above constitutional provision and the above decision of the Constitutional Court. I am of the view that when an accused person has clocked the mandatory period on remand, court can only set bail conditions. It cannot adjourn the case for any other purpose, including verification of sureties, because an accused person can be released on his own cognizance. In this case, the accused person, Musana Ibrahim, has clocked the mandatory period on remand, having been on remand for 60 days without the trial commencing, and hereby release him on bail on the following conditions as per Article 23(6)(b) of the Constitution. One is pay cash bail of 2 million. Each of his two sureties shall each execute a bond of 20 million, not cash. Is deposit his national identity card in court, and is also given 2 weeks to deposit his passport in this court. Is not to mention the names of His Royal Highness, the Kabaka of Buganda, His Excellency Kaguta Museveni, Right Honorable Anita Among, and Honorable Nabosa Sebugwao, and any of his social media handles until this case is heard and disposed of with, breach of which his bail will be cancelled. We adjourn this matter on the 28th of May, 2024. You mentioned the name of Anita, Right Honorable Anita Among, you mentioned the name of Sebugwao on any of your handles. You come back here, we shall cancel your bail. This you should abide until this case is concluded. It's okay.